This is JP with Central Idaho Mountain Weather. It is July 9th, 2025. We're looking out at Northern Lakes from over the weekend with some small cumulus clouds forming. And if you're enjoying this broadcast, we ask you to do a one-time donation, or even better, sign up for that sustaining monthly membership. And if you're around town today, head over to Backwoods at 6:30. I'll be giving a presentation on thunderstorms, looking at just some basic information on them, how to forecast for them, and dangers of them. Looking at the highlights, we got some evening thunder showers tonight, drier and cooler weather for Thursday and Friday, and then northwest flow through the weekend. It's going to kind of keep showers at bay. Looking at the satellite reel this morning, we have a cold front that's to our northwest. It's going to bring in this short wave trough that's going to be our trigger for thunderstorms tonight. Pocatello has issued a red flag warning for the surrounding area here because of low humidity, high winds, and dry thunder potential. And we're in a marginal risk today for thunderstorm activity. And 60, this is kind of the corridor here, anywhere from Haley, pretty much Haley up past north of Custer. And where the hot spot is going to be around the Custer-Stanley area, where we're going to see some evening thunder showers. We'll pull up the NAM first, looked kind of juicy. So you can see them starting to build today. We're going to have mostly clear skies until later today. You can see a band of thunder showers right here building up from the Snake River Plains, building into the Wood River Valley. This kind of looks like the first nick here could be for the Wood River Valley right around 7 or 8 p.m. And that continues up into from southwest to northeast. So that's the NAM model. The HER is showing more activity for Stanley and the Sawtooth Valley. You can see right around the same time frame, 9:10. Thunder shower activities pick up right till around midnight. So quite a bit of instability working into the evening hours, which is not typical. And then tomorrow is going to clear out. With those isolated thunderstorms, we could see outflow gusts from them from 40 to 60 mile per hour. They're going to be very isolated. You can see there's a little band here, kind of Haley Ketchum area, and then some ones further over to the east in the White Cloud Mountains. So it could have some pretty gusty winds. We'll see some moisture out of this, not a ton, mostly up to the north. We'll see 10 to 2/10 of an inch in select areas, depending on where those cells go over. So it won't be dry lightning up north, but possibly in Haley if we don't get if we get those storms overhead. Looking out into the distance, we're going to be above normal for temperatures for the rest of July and below average for precip, which is fairly typical. Might be near normal heading into the 16th to the 22nd window, where we might see some evening, afternoon showers. Looking at the GFS 500 millibar Assomly, you can see that little shortwave trough coming through today that will be triggering those afternoon thunder showers. And then we're kind of in a ridge of high pressure again until maybe Tuesday, where there's a little bit of a dip. It's still kind of holding on to the north of us. And then we'll just be in the future cast. So we'll see what happens. It looks like maybe a possible trough for the following weekend. All right, hope to see you tonight at Backwoods.